Okay, so we're going to look at example 9, which is asking us to use our remainder theorem. So it says that we have the function p of x, and that is 8x cubed plus 22x squared plus 11x minus 7. And it says find the remainder, and p of x is divided by each of these, so which is x minus 1 and 2x plus 3. Well, our divisor, that needs to be in the form of ax minus b, and it basically says that our remainder, again, is going to equal p of b minus a when we go into this form. So let's look at part A. So part A, the divisor is x minus 1. So we have our a value is going to be 1, our b value is going to be 1, and so what we need to do is b over a would then be 1 over 1, which is 1. So we go back to our function and we say, okay, so let's plug this in. So p of 1, okay, is going to be, we have 8 times 1 cubed, and we have plus 22 times 1 squared, plus 11 times 1, and then finally minus 7. So we need to go ahead and evaluate this number. So 1 cubed is 8, so this makes 8. This will make 22. This makes 11 minus 7. And so our remainder is going to be, these together make 30. This makes 4. So we're going to get 34. Now we're going to do the same thing for B. Okay, so for part B, we had 2x plus 3. Well, since we have to use this form here, we're going to have that A is going to be 2. Now B is going to be negative 3. Okay, so from here, we have that B divided by A is going to be negative 3 halves. So this is the number that we need to use. So we go ahead and we say, okay, well, P of negative 3 halves, that equals 8 times negative 3 halves cubed plus 22 times negative 3 halves squared plus 11 times negative 3 halves minus 7. So now we've got a little bit of computation that we've got to do, but just take it one part at a time. Should be okay. So this is going to be 8 times. So we have to cube not only the negative 3, but also the 2 here. So this is negative 27 over 8. We have plus 22 times negative 3 halves squared is going to be 9 fourths. Plus 11 times negative 3 halves is going to be negative 33 halves. And then we have our minus 7. So we just need to go through and simplify. 8 times negative 27 over 8. These two 8s are going to cancel out, so we're going to end up with negative 27 here. 22 times 9 over 4. We can simplify this a little bit. since we're dividing this by 4, we could turn this into a 2, turn this into 11. Okay, so that's kind of like we're going ahead and dividing by 2 there. So 11 times 9 over 2 is going to be 99 halves. And we then have minus 33 halves, and then minus 7. So we just need to kind of put our numbers together. So we've got a negative 27 and a negative 7. This makes negative 34. And then we have our two middle terms are both divided by 2. So this is going to become a positive 66 halves, which that's 33. So this is the same thing as negative 34 plus 33. So our remainder is negative 1 here. So in each of these problems, we're dividing by different, we're taking our p of x and dividing by different numbers. And depending on what that is, we're ending up with different remaining values. So our remainder theorem tells us to apply this method, and we can end up with a remainder of 34 for our first divisor and negative 1 for our second.